Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw BTS's BT21 baby Chimmy. So let's get started. To draw cute Chimmy, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right across and draw another circle. Not too far apart, just enough for a little nose. Now that the two circles in here, I'm going to come to the side right here on the top, draw a circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come between the eyes and draw a little nose. So right in between, I'm going to draw a curve and round it off at the sides and connect in the center. Trying to make it a little bit higher. There, and I'll come in here and shade this in as well and giving a little highlight as well on the top. And then from there, let's draw his smile. Actually, you know what? And my highlight went down too low, so I'll just shade everything else in. Maybe I'll come in with a white marker later, white highlight marker later. Okay, so then under his nose, I'm going to come right here and just draw a big curve right underneath. And then on the sides right here, I'm going to add a curve on both sides. There. And then let's give Chimmy's a little curve right here above his eye. And then, let's see here. Right in the center here, he has a strand of fur that hangs right in the center. So I'm going to come about right, I'll just say about right here. I'll go ahead and draw this first. Just a big curve, and then come up. Now we can go ahead and frame his face. So I'm going to come to the center of the eye, come out, say about this much, and same thing on the other side, about this much. I'll just give myself a point, and from there I'm going to start to draw a curve for the cheek area. So pop it out, and pop it out, and then I'm going to bring it down at the bottom to connect. So a more shallow curve right underneath his mouth and connect. There. And then from the top, we're going to go up. So right here, and go up, and we're going to go above that strand. So that's why I wanted to draw that strand first, so we know how high to go up. So say about right here, towards the center, and then now I can start to come down all the way back to this point right here. Now that we have his face framed in, let's draw the outside part. So right here where this little point is, we're going to come out, slight angle, a little bit higher, say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and from there I'm just going to go ahead and follow the inside. So same thing here, just go at a slight angle about right here and follow. Then the top is the same thing. We're just going to go up a little bit higher. So it's just a little bit higher over here in the center. So about right here, and then we can come down to connect back. There. And then now at the bottom, it's not going to be too thick. Just nice and thin right here at the bottom to connect. There. Okay, so a little wobble right there. And now for his ears. So I'm going to come about, say right here, and I'm going to kind of continuing this curve about right here, pop it out. And I'm going to bring down a curve and round it off right about here where his cheeks are. There. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. And here, I'll just drag a point across so I know where I'm going. So once again, come out. And connect right back in. And since they're all black, I'm just going to go ahead and shake this in really quick so you can see a little bit better. And here as well. Okay, so then now that we're done with his face, let's draw his body. So I'm going to center it kind of like where his eye is, about right here. I'll give myself a point, and here as well. And I'm going to draw a straight line down. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So right here, just bring a straight line down. And I'm going to come to the center, say about right here. I'll put a point right there so I know where I'm going to draw his legs. So about right there, I'm going to round it off. And this part right here, I'm going to go straight down and then connect. So it just makes it a little bit more even to give yourself these points. And so then right here, just like the other side, go ahead and connect. Then from there, we're just going to draw his arms, which are nice and simple. So about right here, just going to pop out big curve that comes right back in. And right here, I'm just going to add a light line, and then same thing over here. So about right here. And once again, just connect it with a curve. And a light line right there. And then for some details, let's come in the center and we're going to draw 2 circles for some buttons. And one more. And of course, I'm going to have to add a heart right here, right? Now that the drawing is pretty much done, I'm just going to come back in here and just bring in my whiteout pen right here and put a little highlight right here on the nose. And I'll just make this a tiny bit bigger. Whatever I need to fix, right? It's always nice to have these pens if you're drawing with a Sharpie. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the highlight for the nose, and then I'm going to come in here with some Crayola markers to color it and bring it to life. So they're all done. I really hope you love how baby Chimmy here turned out and that I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.